Alright, so just installed a Liftmaster LJ8900 commercial light duty jack shaft on this 12 by 14 commercial door. Sorry for the lighting. Got the operator, mounted button, and then another added value and bonus is the electronic deadbolt that you can use manually. I'll go ahead and I'll close the door here. This operator, you can actually cycle, I believe it's 20 to 25 times an hour. Don't quote me on that, I might be incorrect on it, but you'll hear the electronic deadbolt latch here, which is pretty awesome. Again, there's the operator. It's just like your standard 8500W, but it's commercial duty. But this is a great operator for light duty commercial applications. This is Jared with Good Guys Garage Door in Denver, Colorado. Message me if you have any questions. You can also reach me at goodguysgaragedoor@gmail.com if you're local. And I do free estimates and safety inspections, residential and commercial.